Such a beautiful day outside in the woods. Guys, I found something very special. Another Delica. Yeah, this is a JDM Mitsubishi Delica. Well, and this is the first time looking at this vehicle. Let's check it out, see what it is, and you can see it's damaged. We'll tell you the story why. Yeah, this Delica, it's L400 space gear. This vehicle has been sitting in the woods right here for 2 years, not moving. Yeah, we'll check it out, what's wrong with it. I already made the deal. Beautiful spider web laid out everywhere under the hood. You know why hood is open? Because lots of rodents in the woods. If you cover it up, they will build a nest and cause lots of damage. When it's open, they don't like it. So wind will get there, too much draft. It will be fun. We will check this Mitsubishi Delica together, and also this video will have some educational side. I will show you how to safely start your Mitsubishi Delica or any other vehicle, pretty much, if vehicle has been sitting for a long time. Yeah, let's get started. Here's our JDM Pearl. This is Mitsubishi Delica. As you can see, it's a long wheelbase, high roof, 1995 year model, and this is Exceed. Yes, this is my favorite dark green pearl color, G89. Vehicle came with Yokohama all-terrain tires, alloy rims, a CV series, pretty fancy one. I like their look. Of course, it's a space gear, you know. That's what we have here in Canada. It's all tinted, long wheelbase, beautiful, almost 5 meters long. Yeah, and here's the damage. Nothing that terrible looking, and as usual, broken side door handle. I have a video how to fix that, how to replace it. Check it out if you need it after watching this video. Border Collie noticed my presence on his property. He came to check it out. Well, we'll dive in what's wrong with this Delica and what depth of the damage. We'll check it out. I have a key. Yeah, I talked to the registered original owner of this vehicle. We have a good papers, and now we'll assess the extent of this damage. Yeah, we'll do more details. As you can see, we have a damage on the front left corner on the passenger side. Nothing too bad looking, just a front radiator part of the support. A fender, we don't have a headlight, it's smashed, and bull bar also hit the main impact as the tubing squeezed, and we have a bumper damage, all plastic, and yeah, not too serious, but we'll get to it later. I will tell you some interesting details about this vehicle. Look at that spider web. Yep, lots of spiders lived under the hood. It's intercooled, and it's, you know, it's a 440. Look at that spider web on the right side. Everything's slightly dusted and singed by the sun. All right, so we're at the driver's side. Let's look inside the wheel well and check the frame on the bottom. As you can see, there is barely any rust. That's the main thing. Delica's known to rust at the longeron, so especially on the bottom, and this one is solid. Yeah, and let's do the check on the left side. As you can see, it's a unibody. There is no frame, and you can see the part of the unibody, we'll call it, that channel is not even rusted. Yeah, we can use if we need that part as a spare. Beautiful, very little rust on this vehicle. Let's check our interior. We have a basic setup, very dusty. Look at that. Trunk tray on the dash, covering from probably sun biting on that plastic. Let's throw it on the back. And we have a captain swivel seats, which is pretty cool feature. Not all Delica is equipped with the swivel captain seats. We have folding seats as well. Relatively clean for the farm bush beater Delica. Yeah, not too bad. Cloth seats. I don't think Delicas they have any other ones. Alright, as you can see, central console is partially disassembled. No stereo. That's kind of alarm, I guess, something. Yeah, we have a crack on a windshield in the right bottom corner and crack across the bottom. Rest of the glass is in place. So far so good. And our Mitsubishi Super Select transmission. Alright, let's get our tools out. And oh, puppy doesn't want to leave us. He wants to hang out. Border Collie, super hyper, super friendly, but Border Collies are the smartest dogs in the world. They can be trained to the greatest extent. Very, very trainable, very loving dogs, but you have to run them for minimum 10-15 kilometers a day. Otherwise, you don't need that type of dog. But this dog has tons of space to run around and chase everything. All right, here's our deli. Yeah, well, let's start the more practical part. All right, there's a beautiful spider web. Unfortunately, we have to remove it and put our battery, make it smoke, and let this vehicle back on the road. Okay, we have 2.8 4 and 40 diesel. As you know, this diesel produces 231 foot-pounds of torque at 2000 RPM. Let's check the engine oil before cranking. Alright, engine oil is on a dipstick, as you can see, but let's do it one more time. Push it in, pull it out, wipe it, and then check it again. Sometimes that residual oil can be sitting, and when you wipe it out, put it back, and you have an accurate reading. And black Class A diesel engine oil is present on a dipstick up to the high mark. Place we know won't cause any engine damage. If it will fire it up, there's no oil, not good. All right, look at that coolant bottle. Let's check, and there's a coolant, and it's all cinched, cooked on the sun. Look at that hose and everything just burned by the sun. Coolant is slightly below the lower coolant mark. That's okay, don't worry about it. And let's check our transmission fluid as well. Yeah, up to the third mark, high for on cold, and it looks okay for us. We don't worry about that at the moment much. Yeah, let's put a dipstick back as like a basic things we need to know. Our brake fluid reservoir is full and up to the maximum, as you can see. At least it tells us there's possibly no any leaks. Pretty clean. Yeah, it's a 1995 year model Delica PEAW. Okay, we need our battery because vehicle came with no battery as usual. This is the all lone ornament Delica, but we're going to bring this beautiful Delica back to life. Here's an important note. Every time you put a battery in or take it out, watch that coolant extension hose. You see where it connects to the bottle? It's known to break, snap, and that reservoir is not cheap. It costs over $300 and it's hard to find. Don't break that little nipple. Yeah, be careful. And because this Delica came from southern part of Japan, it has a one battery. If you see Delica with the dual batteries, it means your Delica came from northern part of Japan. Okay, battery terminals are cleaned up. Good connection is most important. We're connecting batteries, a little bit of lubrication on the terminals. And talking about the snow, about cold, you know that some prefectures in Japan are getting whopping 6.5 meters of snow. For example, Yamagata and Akita getting most of the snow in the world. It's crazy. Yeah, more than Canada even, or Sweden. Yeah, okay. Here's a key in my hand, and battery is connected. We check the fluids. Let's see what will happen next. Okay, door is open and we have our door light on. Power is back to the vehicle. Sorry for that sunny glare. Lots of sun. Okay, let's put a key in and we hear the beeping. Door is open. Yes. And what else? Here we go. Keys on. Let's turn our fan off. Since our blower motor works. Alright, we're in park. Indicator is working. Let's cycle glow plugs. Outside is pretty hot, 25 Celsius plus 77 Fahrenheit. Alright, one more time. Let's fire it up. Here we go. She started right up. This is her first time starting. I didn't start this vehicle before. As you can see, it's cold. It has a slight mist. Probably one or more glow plugs are dead. And yeah, it's warming up. That white smoke, it just raw fuel unburned. It's like a mist. Let her to idle for a little bit. We'll clear it up. We'll see. Yeah, diesel is idling. Instant fired up means fuel pressure is sealed. There's a no pressure leak. Beautiful 440 Mitsubishi was using on different models from 1994 to 2006, and this one came with a mechanical Zexel Bosch fuel pump. Yeah, she's running clean. You can see a little bit rust on exhaust. Standard, not a big of a deal. And yeah, we have 181,846 kilometers on odometer. Nothing for the Delica. If you maintain your Mitsubishi Delica, she will go 500,000. No problem. Okay, let's release the parking brake. Light went out and we gifted with 3/16 of fuel left in the tank. Front axle light indicator is flashing. It should go away as soon as we'll start driving. Yeah. Alright, let's check our power window and it's working. Beautiful. Alright. I even started liking more this vehicle. Yeah. No misfiring, no surge, pretty even idle. Yeah, never idle diesel for too long. Take it for a spin, warming up gradually. Yeah, alright. We can test drive the vehicle on a property. We have lots of land to drive around here. And yeah, let's jump in and take it for a spin. See how it runs. DIAG Delica is going for the first ride in 2 years. Okay, brake in and let's shift to drive. Okay, our light indicator is working. We're in drive. Let's give a little bit of throttle and we're driving. Oh, that squeaky sound. Oh, that's probably steering wheel cover. Alright, we're turning sharp. Alright, let's back up, see if our reverse is working. Oh yeah, safety. Alarm beeping. We're backing up, classy on Japanese JDM vehicles. Actually, I like that feature. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Yeah, alright, we're backing up. We're going for a ride. See how she's running. Okay, I like the sweet 440 sound. Oh, that's a rusted out brakes. Probably the pads glued a bit to the rotor. And something is rubbing while I'm driving. Yeah, it's classy. Standard for the vehicle after sitting for so many months. Okay, let's go for a longer ride around. And guys, I have to tell you the sad truth about this vehicle. Unfortunately, this vehicle won't ever be back on the road. This Delica has a non-repairable title, the status of this vehicle. Okay, you can hear that scratching sound, something underneath. We'll figure out later. Yeah, and this vehicle is great for educational purposes, for tests, and also I can salvage lots of parts and keep this Delica operational. And yeah, this will be perfect study case. And I have another Delica, and we'll get another Delica. Yeah, if you like Delicas, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and I love it. I had a very sweet deal on this vehicle, you won't believe it, very cheap, and I bought it from the original owner, guy who owned this vehicle for 5 years. Unfortunately, winter time, this vehicle hit a tree and it's a write-off by the insurance company. Insurance company won't repair your vehicle with the used parts, even there's no frame damage on this vehicle, literally, just mostly cosmetics front. And this vehicle, yeah, will stay on the property. Appreciated your time, guys, for watching this video. Yeah, if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Take care, everybody. Yeah, and see you next one. Bye bye.